Hello guys, today we are going to make eggs 3 ways. First, let's start with scrambled eggs. I'm going to get 2 of my eggs, crack them in my bowl. And then just scramble the yolks until they get as yellow as you can get them. Okay, once you're done scrambling the eggs, then you'll need to get your oil in the pan and then turn your pan to medium low. I'll just leave it for a little bit. And once you get your oil in, then you'll need to pour your eggs that you scrambled in there. And then wait for it to get bubbly on the edges a little bit. If it doesn't get bubbly on the edges, then you can just try to move the eggs a little bit, and if the bottom isn't moving with it, then just try to chop it up. But if it gets bubbly on the edges, also just chop it up. And once you're done chopping it up, then just flip it over. And once you flip them over and the bottom is done cooking, then you'll be done. Okay, I am done cooking it, and that is how you make scrambled eggs. Okay, so now we are going to make a 2-egg omelet. The first part is much like the scrambled eggs. You just crack an egg in the bowl and scramble it. Once you're done scrambling, then you put your meats in there. you can use any kind of meat. And then you pour it in the pan. And then you pour it in the pan once you get your butter melted. And also, just to let you know, this is only my second video. Okay, now you can pour your eggs and meat into the pan. Okay, so just like the scrambled eggs, until the edges are bubbly or you move the top and the bottom doesn't move, you don't chop it up, but you flip it over on its side. So I'll just wait for that to happen. Okay, so this is bubbling on the edges. This is a good example for what you should look for. So you just shimmy underneath and flip it on its side. This might take a teensy bit. Okay. I mean, like, this is my first time making an omelet. Okay. This will be done in a little bit. Once the under part is cooked, then just transfer it to your plate. And now you made your very own omelet. Okay, so now we're going to make over easy eggs. This is probably going to be the hardest thing in the pan that I've done. Now I'm just going to turn it on. And then get my butter in. And also, once your oil is in your pan, then you can you can either crack your egg directly into the pan, or you can crack your egg ahead of time in a different bowl and then pour it into the pan. Okay, that's good enough. Now I'm just going to garden. Okay, so once your egg is sizzling, then you're going to try to flip it over without cracking the egg. Okay. Okay, now it is like done. Now I'm going to get it into a plate. Now I'm just going to turn it off. And now you've made your very first over easy egg. Guys, if you really liked the video, why don't you hit that like button, and if you already hit the like button, then why don't you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on another one of my videos, and share with your friends. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comments below.